Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Mr. Stoltz. If we're talking about the latest and the greatest and the most epic running experience, blah 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 blah, Nike, you delivered. I really like it. Today's shoe is the Nike Epic React. This is a model that is a big competitor to a certain other brand that I'm not going to mention. But this is a shoe that when I first saw it, I was like, I gotta have it because it looks really good. And I'm curious about the technology behind it and so on and so on. And since I'm a big Nike guy, I just had to get him. So I got him in two different colors. The first one is the white. It says Nike Epic React Flyknit, and it's white racer. So that's the first one. So let's take it out. I'm gonna show you this in a little bit. I'm first gonna take out the shoes. So here's the white one, and here is, I only need one white. And then the next one, let me read it. It is college, navy, college. So it's a bluer one instead. Here I got some more stuff as well. So here I'm gonna put this. So this is the brand new Nike Epic React. It is a model that I've been looking forward to quite some time. Epic running shoe. Let me just first show you guys what I got. So when I ordered this one, there was a little deal in Sweden that if you were some of the first few ones to order it, you got a little gifty thingy. So I got a little totem bag, and on one side, it says here, this is the new Nike Epic React. It's got all the energy you ever need. Now go out and use it. Instant go, Nike React. Swoosh logo, same on both sides, looks really good. And then I got a little thank you note as well. It's a Nike Instant Go, cool, thanks a lot Nike. And so I got this for both the shoes. I got both of these colorways. I got the white one, and then I got the college blue. Both of them look really good. And what I really like about this, a lot of people, including myself, we buy running shoes. Maybe not so much for running, but because a lot of these shoes are really comfortable. So a lot of running shoes have turned from a running shoe into a lifestyle sneaker. And that is what I believe a lot of people are doing. But that is not what Nike has been working on for a few years now. This is actually a top of the line, top of the art, whatever you want to call it, running shoe that they thought about everything. It feels really good. It is super lightweight. I love this shoe. So why not start talking about it straight away? So, toe box, everything is a Flyknit upper, and around it we have a little bit of a heavier Flyknit in the middle, a breathable, and I gotta say again, breathable, because this is lightweight and you can almost see my fingers through it. Navy blue and then white on the other one. Feels good, just like all the other Flyknits. Excellent, I love it. Moving up on the white one, we have white flat laces, and on the other one, we have navy blue flat laces. Nothing at the end of the tips, just clean. And moving up, a little tongue. So both of these shoes has what you want to call one-piece upper. So when I put these ones on, I don't really need laces. The lace is just here for show. So I don't really need it because it is a snug fitted shoe, feels good. I don't need it, but it looks really good with the lace on. So everything one piece upper, and then taking a look at the side of the shoe, like I mentioned, everything one piece upper, and then we have one thing. I don't really know if the camera can catch this up. It's black and then blue, and then it looks like it's shimmering a little bit. So the blue parts looks like it's shimmering around here and up towards the middle. I don't really know if you can notice that, but both of the shoes has this little glossy, shimmering vibe to it, and I like it. It pops out a little bit. So what we have here, so the laces are connected here to the eyelets. It's fused together, but that's not the only part on the shoe where it's fused. So the Nike swoosh as well is also fused into the Flyknit. Just like this one, we have a white here, white swoosh on both sides. Here, the blue on both sides. And on the inner side, where you connect the laces, it says Flyknit right here. And same on this one. Very, very subtle in the same color, blue on blue, white on white. And then at the top of the shoe, we have this collar, and it really grips around your ankle, and it feels excellent when you're out running or walking or whatever you're doing. Excuse me. So excellent shoe, feels great on foot. So when I'm talking about how it feels on foot, I went with my true to size, and it feels really well. You could probably maybe go up half a size, because it is a snug fitted shoe, but that's the way it's supposed to be. Because when you're out running, you don't want it to be too loose. But if you want, maybe if you want more of a looser fit, you could probably go up half a size, not a full size, but maybe a half size. But I would still recommend to go true to size. That's my own opinion of this shoe. So yes, that's it. Taking a look at the back, we have this fused heel part at the back. It's purplish blue on this side, and then the same on this one. And then on the inner side of the shoe, it says Nike, very subtle, very nice in a little glossy thing. Looks really well. And then around us, we have this pink part that adds a lot more stability to the shoe. So when you're out running, the shoe is built for running. I don't know, I'm not the biggest runner in the town, but this is really well, because this is really hard. You can't feel it when you're running. You can't feel it against your foot, but it adds a lot, and I gotta say, a lot of stability. This one is not as hard, but it adds still a lot of stability. But both these two together, perfect match. So here it says Nike React, and at the back we have the little swoosh logo. Nothing here on the inner side of the shoe. Same on this one, Nike React, and then swoosh. Excellent shoe. And at the back, we have a yellow pull tab on both shoes. Yellow with Epic React in black. And midsole. The midsole on this shoe is the foam, the React. What makes this shoe so popular? Because the upper of the shoe flying, and we've seen that on multiple Nike shoes in the past. But this Nike React foam is something brand new, and you probably already seen the commercial. You know, when the shoes are bouncing off a pillow and flying out, and just all that energy just pushing it out. And this is what this shoe is about. It's giving you all that energy that you need when you're running, when you're walking, when you're jumping, parkour, whatever you guys are doing. This shoe is delivering it. And it is super comfortable. It is very lightweight. It is a cozy ride. I have nothing bad to say about this shoe at all. Looks good, feels good, excellent on feet. Just a all in all excellent shoe. So taking a look on the inner side of the shoe, so we have inner sock liner. This one has a pinkish swoosh logo and then blue, and this one has the same. And the information label is placed on the inner sock liner just like this. And other than that, let's see here. So the inner part of the shoe, to add a little bit more stability, the eyelets right here, this part is fused and you can feel it on the inner side of the shoe. So this adds a little bit more stability on everything around your upper of the foot. So that is it. And then taking a look underneath the shoe, the Epic, the React foam is super nice. It is a continuation. They have not encapsulated the whole thing. Everything here is the foam, the React that goes towards the middle part of the shoe. So taking a look, we have these lines, these engravings all the way through it with a swoosh logo at the back. And then at the front and back of the shoe, we have this added material to add a little bit more, so it's not gonna wear and tear the foam, the React instantly. So you go out. So this is gonna make it last a lot longer. And this one is this turquoise that fades into this white translucent part, and exactly the same here. And that is it all the way around it. I want to see what it looks like on feet, so let's take a look at both of these. So what do you guys think about this shoe? I think it looks excellent on feet. It looks great. I love these. I'm calling it like these 80s colors with a vivid pink and a vivid saturated yellow, and then with the purplish bluish parts. So there's a lot of things on this shoe that makes it pop, that makes it stand out a little bit. And one thing that I forgot to mention, that back here we have a little 3M, so when you're out running, people can see you. It's gonna flash a little bit. So I love this shoe. I actually have nothing bad to say about this shoe. Only love, only good things about this shoe. Big thumbs up to Nike. Love you guys. Excellent shoe. So what do you guys think about this sneaker? Are you gonna use it for running, or as me, a lifestyle sneaker? Maybe running once in a while, maybe. Or do you dislike it? If so, if you like it or if you dislike it, leave a comment down below and let's discuss this sneaker. I'm really happy, and I can't really wait to see what Nike's gonna do with this Epic React in the future. So just bring them on. I'm here. I want to try them out. I want to see what they look like. So that was it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, click right here and click right here for more sneaker related videos just like this. And do not forget to leave a big thumbs up. I truly appreciate that. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you very soon again. Take care.